All right, today we're looking at a 2017 Chevrolet Equinox LT. It's got 25,000 miles on it. Nightfall gray metallic in color. All right, go ahead and start here on the driver's side. The nice chrome trim around the windows. Driver's side's in great shape. It does have the rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything looks good here as well. Tires look like they're brand new. Got the nice 17-inch alloys on there. Once again, it's a 17 Equinox LT, 25,000 miles on it. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. The black on black door panels, power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Okay, it does have the black cloth or the black carpet. It's nice and clean. Black cloth, power driver's seat. Okay. All right, and it's black cloth, but it's kind of like this mesh. It's got the titanium up under it. Driver's seat's in great shape. Keyless entry key fob with remote start. Okay. A nice center console. The bucket here for storage. And then under there you also have the USB and auxiliary. Okay. Passenger seat looks good. No problems there. Everything's in good shape. All right, it is an automatic. Got a nice chrome trim around the gear shift there. Heated seats. Got your climate control area, AM FM radio, backup camera and radio display is going to be right there. Leather wrapped steering wheel, got the Bluetooth and the steering wheel audio. And on this side you got cruise control. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. All right, it's got 25,155 miles. Now that we've got it started, go ahead and show you the radio display. We'll go ahead and engage the backup camera. It's got the guidelines on there as well. We'll scroll back down again, give you another shot of the climate control area here, and it also has the heated seats. All right, let's go ahead and step out, take a look in the back seat. All right, door panels back here in great shape. All right, carpet back here looks good, no staining. Got another power outlet right here. Back seat cloth is in great condition, no issues at all, not even a wrinkle in it. Center console comes down, got the cup holders there. Go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right, let's take a look in the back. All right, carpet back here nice and clean. Got your spare tire and jack underneath there. Another convenient power outlet here. Plenty of storage room back there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. 17-inch alloys. Brand new set of tires on there, plenty of tread left on them. All right, once again, it's a 2017. It's a 17 Equinox LT, 25,000 miles on it. This thing's in great shape inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.